Guys, thanks for stopping by Sho-Me Tint. Today is one of my favorite days. So a few times a year, what I do for the crew, is we buy new gear. You know what I mean? So we call that New Gear Day or Swag Day. Get a swag bag. These are gonna go quick. I'm here to tell you. It always does. I always buy a lot of them. I usually get some stickers. They're not usually that big. They're supposed to like fit on your cell phone. I don't really know, but that'll work. No fishbowl. That's what people say. You know what I mean? No fishbowl. All right, that. So a lot of people like, you know, I've never really said that, but a lot of people that come in, they're like, you got to tint my car. It's all glass. It's like a fishbowl, and I hate it. And so they want no fishbowl. And so to keep in mind what the customers want, we made a little sticker for them. That's what you're asking for, we get it for you. It's a little bigger, but I don't know. Maybe you can put it on, whatever. You can put it on yourself, put it on your friend, whatever you want. You gotta do what you want. It's your life. These are like a remake. They usually go with like the same type of shirt vibe that we're doing. And honestly, I buy a ton of shirts. So I've worked at a lot of shops, and you always had like the same shirt that you had for like 5 years. You know, and they give you like shirts we do like shirts 3 or 4 times a year. We do hoodies and coats, and you can get some too. You know what I mean? Honestly, if you see this video and you want to come by and get some, holler at me. You know, I'm ready for it. These are kind of different. We've always done like pretty bright colors. We went with a different setup this year. This time, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, it's so heavy. So there's one color, 2. I think I worked out this morning. We got 3. That's like 100 and some shirts right there. So this would be a small for the ladies, because I want them to fit extra tight. No big deal. Home tint shop. Know where you're at, know where you're coming from. Sho-Me Tint. What? Emily wasn't sure on the colors, so we're gonna see if she likes it. Emily, tell me you don't like this.
No, I do. I looked at them this morning and I like the green ones. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah, I love that one.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. Let's go get some and we'll hand them out. I guess should we take the box? What do? We just take the box? We're gonna have to load them up. All right. I don't know how we're gonna do this. We're gonna load this all up. Oh, let's see, Emily, got it all on. Yeah. Yeah, see, I told you I look good.
Yeah.
I love it. Thank you. That looks awesome. All right, so we're gonna load these up. We'll go down to the tint shop. We'll hand a few out. Then my other guys should be back from their super long lunch break that they always freaking take, and we'll give them some more. So, all right, we'll see you in a minute. Son came out for a little special delivery. We got a little swag. The guys love this. What up? I told them to make no fishbowl stickers. They're also double the dinner plates if you would like to use it as a dinner plate.
Oh, these are sick.
You like it?
I love this gold and the red and gray. Sheesh.
You guys said you guys didn't like the purple ones? Ron, here you go. Should be 2 over there. Ramon's wrapping a bumper for Marty Hanks. It's right before spring break, so everybody at the tint shop, we're all like, everybody's on vacation. So we're just like working on a few people's cars that didn't go on vacation. Here we go. Can I drop this tailgate, Ramon? Hunter, I'm shooting a video. Do you mind just coming down here to get your shirt?
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, it's your Bella canvas. You know, you only like the most premium stuff. Make sure you get one in each color at least. If you like one any likes better than the other, grab 2 of that one. All right, guys, what do we think? Is this lit? We love this. Back, a little flex on them. Go for the goal, baby. Sho-Me Tint. Yeah, you like it? All right. Keep the sizes together. I hate when you guys get them all mixed up. Customers just hate that, especially when they wear off weird shirts. You guys got hot dogs? Weird. They hate it when I do that. I steal their fries all the time. I really just like to bully them around a little bit. All right, guys. I think we got everybody handed out here. A couple guys are on site. We'll get them passed out. Get everybody what they need, and then I'll let you guys rate them one more time after I get them to everybody. I think we got some actual work today, so let's go check some work out. We've got a Mercedes. I think we got wrapped up. I think you know, we've got a bunch of projects going out. It's Friday. We're trying to get everybody's cars out for the weekend, so we're gonna get all the projects out. We'll go see what's going on, and you know, we got a little something in store tomorrow too. It's pretty exciting, so we're gonna do something a little secretive tomorrow. So you gotta make sure you watch it. You'll want to see it because I know you like car collections, right? All right, let's roll. Hey, we're back at the shop. All right, just that quick. All right, let me give this girl up front one real quick, and my 2 rap guys, they got back from their super long lunch that they take together every day of my life. You guys take an hour lunch and bring your food back? One for you, one for Nick. And this is so hard to, I try to not mess them up, and then they always just end up totally jacked. One for you, one for Nick. Yeah! Let's go check out the Mercedes. They're wrapping that up. I'll give you a little car shot today, so you don't think we just work at a clothing store. But we're getting all these cars polished for the weekend, but this one's going out today. I think just like maybe something's missing here. Probably this part. I think something needs to be here. But the wrap's looking fire. That's important, you know. But they got to put it all back together. That's usually the last thing as we get it all done. Get it swapped to a different color. And then we put it all back together. Look, Hunter's actually working on it right now. Let's get some stuff done today. Yeah, see, there it is. It's back. Keep your headlight dry. That's it, guys. Today we're doing it. We're doing big things at Sho-Me Tint. Tomorrow we're going to do a little bit more. We're just going to keep pushing it out. So it should be pretty fun. I didn't even show them the big old project, did I? I guess we better go check that real fast. All right, let's go check it out. So I told you I had a big project. We always have big projects, but this time we have a big project. And this thing is big. It's not, I don't know if it's the biggest project, but it's definitely pushing the limits. We have a lot of work to get done on this one. This guy was looking at this white. You can see it kind of looks like whitewashed. The sun's been beating it up. It's hard to park this thing inside, I bet. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make it white. We're gonna refinish this thing and make it look brand new again. And it is fun. I really got Ramon really good because I didn't tell him what was coming until it pulled up and he heard the air brake. That's a lot of work. We're gonna knock this out just like we knock out everything else. Just a little over the park. No problem. We got this. And yeah, so you'll be a little bit of that next week. We're gonna try to get it done during spring break while everybody's vacationing. We're gonna be wrapping cars and trucks and what is this, a toter home? What do they call it? A toter home? Yeah, so like it's a home that you can tote around. Is that how it works? Tote around your race car. Oh, okay, yeah, makes sense. I've not even opened it. I try not to do anything until the customer tells me what to do. So I don't know what the limits are. I know I'm gonna make it white on the outside, and he asked me maybe if I could polish this up a little bit while we're doing it. So we'll get all that done and we'll send you a little that's being done next week thing. So make sure you check in to see what's happening. All right, thanks.